Hello guys, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be walking through my custom implementation of a linked list in Java. This is a part of my day 10 of learning DSA. I'm excited to show you about these things. So what's exactly is a linked list? Is a linked list is dynamic data structure that consists of nodes, each contain a piece of data and a reference to the next node in a sequence. Unlike arrays, linked lists don't require continuous memory allocation, making them highly efficient for operations like insertion and deletion. I will share you the nodes also. Here is the nodes. You can refer it. I will give you. And here is the code where I have uses a node that is taking data in data and next will store the next element's address, and it is running like that. Next we have remove method. There is add method, add at front method, add at a specific index method. You can refer it. I have remove method, remove at first element, remove at a specific index method, find at find method, and display method to show the element, get method to get the linked list, get the node with the help of key. And I also have reverse the linked list, complete linked list using two types, using a stack and using other approach. And after that I have sorted the linked list using bubble sort technique. Now let's see how the linked list perform a live demonstration. I will show you that thing also. Okay, in my user class I have added some elements without sorting. It is running 15, 5, 25, 95, 65, 35. After that, if I apply the methods, it will sorting. So thank you guys. You can refer my channel.